Chief Okoro, the revered leader of Umu Okoro. Chief Okoro is deeply rooted in tradition, but faces pressure from external forces threatening the village's way of life. As the annual harvest festival approaches, tensions rise in Umu Okoro. Josie and Obi fear losing the essence of their cultural heritage.
So guys, the first thing you need to do, head over to your Google Chrome or whichever browser that you're using, type in ChatGPT. Just in case you don't have any story title, you don't have any storyline, you don't even know how to start. So this website is going to help you generate a storyline. But if you have a story title and you have a storyline, you can go ahead and create your own stories. Then you can overlook these steps now that I'm taking. So for ChatGPT to help you generate story, you need to input a prompt, something like, give me a list of title ideas for animated YouTube series about a dramatic African culture, and all that. Now, as you can see, it has generated titles for us from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. So now you need to pick one. Anyone from these titles, then you can pick any of them and, continue from there. The next step, you need to input another prompt. After you must have chosen your title, you need to put another prompt so that it will help you to generate story. So now, give me a story to narrate with a voice. I'll go with number 3. So now this is the next prompt you expected to put, something like this. You can just do some touch up, you can use your own. This is just fine, it's just an example. Okay, so give me a story to narrate with a voice for animated African story for number 3. The summary should analyze the main characters, their relationships, and the central conflict of the story. The story is for my YouTube channel, so make it engaging and attention grabbing. Also give me prompts to generate AI image for specific blah 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 blah. So just click there. As you can see, it just generated a storyline for us. This is a storyline and these are the central characters. You understand? So whenever you're inputting your prompts, especially for this storyline, don't forget that part of central characters is very, very necessary. Anyways, depending on what the kind of story that you choose or the kind of story that you're telling your audience, copy it and save in your notes or Word document, wherever you want to save it. So the next thing to do is to go back to Google, type in 11 Labs. Yeah, so type in 11 Labs. So this is it, and for this one will just help us to translate the text to audio. Okay, but if you're using desktop, if you're using laptop, the best to use is Clipchamp, because I tried using it on mobile, but it's not working out. I will recommend that because because you will see a lot of different kinds of English there. So that one will also give you the option of Nigerian English and different country English. That is the way their accent, you understand. So, but this one is gonna give you just American and British. So, or if you don't want to use this, you can read the text by yourself. So here now you're going to paste the text here, the one we copied. But the thing is that it's required you to put only 333 words, you understand? So I'm just going to take my time. I'll do it like, I think 2-3 times. I wouldn't know. On my notes right now, I'm trying to copy the text so that I can translate it to audio. You need to do some editing, something like, for instance, this character relationship. So you're supposed to remove it, or you can use your voice to do voiceover. Let me try another character. Mimi.
Dancing shadows. Stories of tradition and redemption in Igbo land. In the heart of Igbo land, amidst lush greenery and vibrant traditions,
Okay, I
lies
think I prefer this. This one is okay. This one is not bad. So I'm gonna download this right now. As you can see, it has downloaded. So guys, remember that we also asked ChatGPT to give us prompts for AI image generation. So right now, these are the prompts, and these are the prompts. So we are going to copy them each after the other, and we're going to use Bing. If you don't have their app, you can just type bing.com. So we're going to use it to generate our realistic image for the stories. I'm going over to Bing. If you don't have the app, it's okay. You can just go over to the web browser and use it. So I'm going to paste the prompts over here. So let's see what it has for us. Okay, these are the pictures. I don't know if I'm okay with it. So guys, just like I said, you can just do some touch up. As you can see, the pictures they brought out for me at the early stage, I don't think I liked it. So I had to put in some touch up, change the background to a village square, and then this came up. So as you can see, this one is more beautiful. I think I prefer this one. I think I prefer this one. This one is fine too. This one is fine. Download image. Let me see if I can add another thing again. Okay, ask some villagers within the include a traditional drum in the scene. Add some villagers watching them. So guys, I didn't really like what Bing was giving me. So I tried using this website to create another image to see if it's okay. I mean, the images are okay, or the one that I generated from this website is okay, but I think I was looking for something more unique. Something, I need epic. I need it to be epic, but this is fine, But then, after every, I used Facebook to create the realistic images that I used to create this video. And I've taught that in one of my videos, how you can create realistic image with Facebook. So you can go and watch that video, not watch the video. Next step, head over to CapCut. Then we need to compile all of this together. Click on new project. Then go to your photos and upload, the pictures that you like. Those pictures that we just created. So upload all of them. So when you're done uploading, the next thing to do is to start editing. So, as you know, this is CapCut. You can also use Canva to do this, but I prefer to use CapCut. So you just need to, play around with it. Click on the video and you see animation down there. Then you click on the animation. Then you can see the one of zoom out, zoom in, and all of that. Next thing to do, click on sound, and then you're seeing so many options there. Now you click on the icon that looks like file, then click on device. Now you're gonna check the audio. Remember the audio that we got from that website. Then you're expected to upload it here right now. And then when you are done uploading it, the trick about this thing is while you are arranging your pictures and the audios, just be listening to the audio to know when it fits into the picture that you're putting in. To know how to arrange the pictures. You understand? I don't know how to explain this, but just listen to the audio and then you know the picture to place. If you need more pictures, then you can go ahead and create more pictures, either with Facebook, Bing, Leonardo, or whichever websites. So at this point, I'm trying to merge the image that was generated and the voiceover together in CapCut. So right now, this is the first image, and I'm going to animate it.
Dancing Shadows. Stories of tradition and redemption in Igbo land. In the heart of Igbo land, amidst lush greenery and vibrant.
So guys, once you're done arranging your images and your audio, the next thing to click is on the arrow by the right side up there. Then when you click on it, you can save to device or click on quality, to change the quality of the video. As you can see, resolution, frame rate, and all of that. So you can adjust this, and once you're done doing the adjustments, then you can click on done. And then when you click on done, you can go ahead and click on save to device. Now you wait for it to download. Guys, if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos. If you are confused anyhow, you can drop your comment on the comment section and I will attend to you. I'll be glad to attend to you. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.